चलिए हम सीखते हैं एटम क्या होता है. व्हाट इज एटम? एटम is a fundamental and structural unit of all element. Atoms of all element is made up of three constituent particle, and they are electron, that is negatively charged, and proton, which is positively charged, and neutron, that is neutral charge, that is it neutron bears no charge. Neutron together with proton known as nucleons, and they are present in nucleus. And due to presence of proton in a nucleus will have positive charged uniformly distributed over it, and negatively charged electron revolves around the nucleus. Atom is electrically neutral, that is atom bears no charge. Although there is presence of electron that is negatively charged and proton that is positively charged, but then also atom is electrically neutral. Let us see what is the reason behind neutrality of atom. In the ground state atom, number of electron is equal to number of proton. Due to this concept, influence of positively charged proton will be overcome or cancelled out by the influence of negatively charged electron. And due to presence of same number of electron and proton, atom is wholly electrically neutral. Atomic neutrality is lost when any atom gain or lose electron from its orbit. Due to loss and gain of electron, atom exists into two forms, that is cation and anion. Cation is formed when atom lose electron. When atom lose electron, then it will have more influence of proton that is positively charged. Due to this condition, cation will bear positive charge. Another form is anion. Anion is formed when any atom gains electron, and due to gaining of electron, the influence of negatively charged electron will be more than the influence of positively charged proton, and hence anion will bear negative charged. Cationic size is smaller than normal atom. This is so because the influence of proton over the less number of electron than proton will tend to attract the electron towards the nucleus, and hence size will be reduced. Anion have more size than neutral atom. Let's see why. This is so because anion bears more number of electron than proton, and due to presence of negatively charged electron, there is a repulsion between the electron-electron repulsion. Due to the electron-electron repulsion, the size will increase, hence anion will bear more size than neutral atom. What is molecule? Let us learn about molecule. So molecule is formed by the combination of two or more atoms of the same or different element. Combination of two or more atoms of same or different element is known as molecule. In the sodium chloride example, you can see a sodium atom and a chlorine atom combines to form one molecule of sodium chloride. Here's two atoms of different element combines to form one molecule of sodium chloride compound. In the formation of one molecule of hydrogen, two atoms of same hydrogen atom combines to form one molecule of hydrogen. And hence in this class you understand what is atom and what is molecule, the difference between molecule and atom. So any doubts basis on this topic which you have studied today, please comment, please ask I am free to give your answer.